What's up mga kajola at mga kajola loves? Welcome back dito sa aming Dan Legs Vlog. So ayan, ang kita niya, dilaw na dilaw kami.
Ang tingkad na araw.
Yellow.
Kahit 5 na.
Ayan, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay 5 minutes
English
challenge. What do you call love? Bawal kami magsalita ng Filipino. Tagalog pala, Tagalog. Pag nagsalita kami, bawat isang mali namin, it's a day.
Pero tatapusin po muna namin yung 5 minutes. Bilangan na lang kami kung ilan yung wrong. Tsaka namin isusunod yung
timer starts now. Okay, hi guys. Mga
oh my God.
kajowala at kajowalabs. Oh, that we call our
viewers.
Yeah. So
yeah.
We need to one. Okay, so we need to
speak in English.
And we need to
we have 5 minutes limited time.
We need to conversation. we need to, oh my God, we need to
speak in English conversation.
Yeah, okay. So, what are gonna talk?
Oh my God.
What are we talking about? Okay.
So let's just talk about love. Yeah, okay. About love.
So love. What do you call love? Ay! Oh my God!
We have a time. So yan.
She's so good at it. Okay. I'm gonna get
guys.
It's a tree. Okay.
Sorry,
you're so good, Nick.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I think I'm gonna.
That's my mannerism.
I'm gonna. What do you call that? Oh my God. It's only 2 minutes and 30 seconds that she have 4 wrongers. No.
We're very sorry for
for our English is so small. 2
for her.
It's okay. You have 4. I have 4. There's to you.
I can help it. You know, guys, English is my favorite subject, and I can't even pronounce a word in English.
What?
In English language correctly.
Oh, so why don't you pronounce it? And why you keep on saying Tagalog? So
guys,
yeah.
So for all our kajowala and kajowalabs
out there, please subscribe, and for more subscribers,
like,
subscribe.
And comment.
Okay, sorry for that post.
Because we have some interruption here.
Yeah.
You have 3 girls who
walking
passed through that
border. Oh my God! She had 5 mistakes, and she gonna get a 5 dares. Oh my God! I'm so excited.
Wait,
what?
Don't celebrate so early.
Okay, guys, we're gonna add 1 more minute because of the interruption. Yee! Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my God! Thank you this challenge because I'm getting better and better in English. Oh my God!
I have nothing to say but wow.
Okay.
I can't help it but to speak in Tagalog. It's so hard for me to adjust, you know.
Oh. We're gonna say yeah.
So guys,
so you Daniel May
Candelera.
You gonna prepare for my dares because you will get you.
Shut your mouth. So for all those viewers out there,
out there, please.
Hoping for your support, guys. We're not done already.
We only have
1 minute and 59 seconds.
Okay. Oh my god, it's getting harder. We need to talk because our
Oo
viewers
nga.
gonna be so boring. Bored. Oh my god. Oh.
How many mistake you have?
Yeah.
Or three?
Two.
No, three.
Two.
The first one is two.
Two.
That's so unfair.
What is so unfair?
Make some mistake, please.
What is so unfair? You
My
make
gosh.
a 5 mistake.
I'm going to have a nosebleed.
I'm gonna say, oh my god. When there is a class, I'm gonna listen carefully to our English teacher so that in this channel I will win.
No.
Yes. Okay, we only have
1 minute and 16
No.
seconds. 16 seconds left.
yeah. So there
So,
an interruption.
We have Lara here.
Itong isusubo ho.
Yes, guys. We have Lara here. And
Yeah.
look,
Hindi
this
kayo
is-
nagulat
This is the marshmallow, what we call muffin, and we're going to taste it.
Yeah. What is date? Taste.
Don't.
Don't what? Don't what?
It's not yun. It's none of a thing. For all my exes out there, don't you even try to think that I will
5,
give you
4, 3,
a second
2,
chance.
1. Bang!
Yes! Tagalog na ako eh! Yan guys,
Tapos
meron
na?
pa ako 5 mali, putik na English yan.
5? Oh my
Nakakadugo ng
god!
ilong.
She had 5 mistakes. Yeah, I'm so good at English. Lara, don't interrupt our conversation. Ay.
But I really like this marshmallow, so I'm going... Ay, yeah, tsaka ako na pa-English ng
Napa-English
matino.
tapos na. So, ayan, May. Handaan mo na ang dare natin at gagawin na natin siya.
So,
Ngayon.
dahil marami po siyang mali.
Wow! I have only two wrongest. Joke. So, ayan. This is the next day of our daring.
Hinapon na po kasi kagabi. Ano?
Kahapon na. Andaw.
Ginabi na po kami kahapon.
Ayan. So,
So,
ngayon namin
ngayon
tutuloy yung dare.
Yung kanyang 5 dare and
Tsaka
ang
yun.
10 dare ko.
Yung sa kanyang 2 dares. So, simulan na natin. Ang 2 dares mo ay...
Ako na nagbibigay ng dare.
Sige.
My first dare is, isa na lang ang dare na ibibigay mo sa akin. Oh, that's a dare.
Ano? Tayo mo?
Hey, my first dare is,
Ano?
dahil ayaw na namin mambulabo. Kumanta ka ng Bahay Kubo na pa-acoustic yung kagahapon.
Basta sasabihin mo ako. Ay, no, first dare ko sa'yo.
Lagi na lang ito nagpapasabay sa mga dare namin.
Siyempre, yung mag-isa. Single lang nga, mag-iisa pa.
Ayun ang
Game.
first dare
Dare.
ko. And the second one is, banggitin mo ng 10 ulit ang subscribe. Please subscribe.
Napakadadali naman ng mga dare mo sa
Dalawa
akin.
lang naman siya, yung the rest na 7. Next time na lang.
Di ba, 5 yung dare ko. Babawas ako na isa para masaya. Okay, ang dare, di ba, sabihin mo ako sa pagkanta ng Bahay Kubo. Tapos, ang second dare ko sa'yo, pupunta ka doon sa gitna ng daan. Sasayaw ka ng marikit mag-isa mo. Ako na lang yung video. Next, number 3.
Sa'yo naman ako ma-expose.
Number 3, ang gagawin niya, makikipag-usap siya sa sarili niya. Yung kakausapin niya yung
Kala ko
sarili niya.
sino nakakausapin ko.
Kakausapin niya yung sarili niya. Next, number 4, kasi parang, di ba, the next prank namin sa kanila.
Next prank?
Ay, last prank namin sa kanila. Para nagtatapos sa kanya So, kakausapin niya yun.
Hala!
Itataw niya kung nagalit na siya. Ay, na naman, tatanong niya lang naman, di ba?
Signalan pa.
Wala. Ay, di, mamaya. Oh, basta yun.
Okay.
Tataw niya. Okay?
First dare mo
Ito
na.
na, first dare. Sabihin mo na ako.
Bahay Kubo.
Kahit munti. Yeah. Ang halaman doon. Ay, kasi alam.
Ay, sorry. Ayun pa rin yung tono, pinapagala mo lang eh.
Yeah.
Singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw.
Bataw.
Ako, ikaw yung my dear, bakit?
Bataw, patani,
Gundo,
patola,
kalabasa,
upot, kalabasa, at saka meron pa.
mukha kaming mga tama.
Mustasa. At saka,
Ano, secondary ko?
okay, second dare mo sa akin
Ay,
ay
sumigaw ka ng please subscribe ng
10 times. May lalabas.
Guys, mag-ano na kayo ng tenga nyo ah.
Subscribe.
Sigaw!
Sigaw ba? Okay, 10 game. Subscribe.
Grabe,
Subscribe na mamasakit. Subscribe. 10. Subscribe. So, don't forget to. Forget to
At
subscribe.
saka guys, reminders lang, maggagawa po kami ng part 2 na aming 5 seconds English challenge.
5 seconds.
Ay! Sorry, brother. 5
Minutes English challenge. So, tara na. So, ayan na siya. Magdi-dare na siya.
Ikaw ang bini-bini na ninanais ko, bini-bining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ay panghawang buhay na ito. Yo! Basta ka na, ano? Wala ko babakang-bakan yung mga ex mo. Well, ha? Ayaw niya na daw. Love you. Ay, nga pala. Oh, Paul. Jarek! Sorry nga pala.
Sarili mga kausap mo.
Ha?
Sarili, be.
Ha? 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 Ayan. Ang ganda mo talaga, Sel. Ganda ka palalo kapag naka 1,000 subscribers.
So, ayan, tapos na. Tama na, mukha kang tanga. Next there is...
bayar. Aku lagi cari mama muda buat kasih.
Magsasorry lang. Hindi lang eh. Tapos, hindi pa naman nakausap ako. Ayun na, nakausap na na. Hindi na nasinig.
Hindi yan. Apology, di ba? Game. Game na! So, ayun guys, success ang mga dares naming mga ginawa na inabot ng araw dahil ginabi na kami nung kahapon. Success. At clip na lang yung pinakita namin doon sa may kay John Paul na nag-sorry siya, nag-apology.
Tagalan ko sila sa pagsisignal.
Oo, kaya, ayun, clip na lang pinakita namin kasi, ayun yun, napapagod ako. So, kasi umulan din dito, ganon. Kaya, so, ayun na lang, abangan nyo ang mga next video namin. Next video namin ng mga kagagahan. So, don't forget to like, share,